Welcome back, little learners. Are you ready to have some quiz fun? Let's get started. Remember, each picture has something that's different from the others. You'll have 15 seconds for each question. Let's begin. Time's up. Yes, the odd animal is the seal. Great job. Look at this new picture. Can you spot the odd animal? Time's up. Yes, there is a chicken on the beach. Keep it up, you're doing great. Here's another picture. There is something different from the others. Time's up. Awesome. Yes, this is a pudding. On to the next one. Look carefully at this picture. Can you find the odd animal? Time's up. Did you find it? Yes, there is a pig hidden behind the flamingo. Fantastic try. Let's keep going. Time's up. Yes, the odd animal is a cat. Great job. Here comes the next challenge. Can you spot the different animal? Time's up. Yes, the frog is the odd animal. Fantastic. Look at this new picture. Can you spot the odd animal? Time's up. Yes, the odd animal is a lion. You're doing great. Take a good look at this picture. Find the odd animal. Time's up. Awesome. Yes, it is an Arctic fox. Here's another picture. Can you find the animal that's different? Time's up. Fantastic. Yes, there is a crab hidden behind the coral. Look closely at this picture. Can you find the different animal? Time's up. Excellent try. Yes, it is a rhino. One more to go. This is the last one. Look carefully and find the odd animal. Time's up. Great job. It is a deer. Wow, what an amazing job you all did today. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes and activities. We love having you here and can't wait to see you again. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep having fun. Bye for now!